welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you LED floor light. This is smart version, Gen 4.0 Pure Ultra. Here we have some of the features. This is this one and 36 watts. Here we have some of the application areas. Here we have some of the specifications. Let me go ahead and open it. Here is the user manual. Oh, check this out. Here we have the lights. This is the bottom part. Let's check it out closely. Adapter, remote controller, and some of the tools and screw tags. I'm going to go ahead and connect these. These are the connectors right there. We're going to use these to screw them. When I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put this right over here. I'm going to go ahead and screw all of them. Now I put them over there, but I need to go ahead and screw them like that. Make sure they are connecting well each other like that. Now I'm done with this. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect these two. Then I will go ahead and do the connection. Then put the light. Then we are ready. I'm done with all the screws. Next thing is I will go ahead and put it right there and put 2 screws and screw them. Make sure everything is tight. I'm going to take out the protective cover. Now we're good to go. Next thing is I will go ahead and connect this. I will put all the extra cables inside. We're just going to go ahead and apply some force to put it inside like that. That's easy. We're going to do the same procedure till the end. Now we're good to go. This is what I have so far. That's the top. Don't forget to take out the protective cover. And here is our button. That's the top. Let's turn it on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
And now it's on. Let me go ahead and put it in my living room and see. These are all the functions on the remote controller. When you go to the application, it's gonna find it automatically. Let's go ahead and add it. Now it's connecting my Wi-Fi. It's being added successfully. Let's continue and check all the features. Yay! Here is my living room, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let's see.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
Oh, let's check this out. And we have so many things over here. Rock, jazz, classic, energy, spectrum. There are different types. Whenever you talk, as you can see, hello. If there is music, that's gonna change the color. How about the red color? We can choose different types. Yellow, green, blue. And you can change the colors too, whichever you like. Or only white. How about the other side? I like the bottom part too. And there are some scenes. Wow, I like that. I'm just showing you different types of modes. And you can do DIY mode, AI image, whichever you like, or you can put your photo there and you can do DIY. Alrighty, let me go ahead and test the music one. I'm gonna go ahead and play the music and see how it's reacting. Let's try to use the remote controller. You can change the color. It is working with a long distance. And you can change the brightness, decrease, increase. And here is the Bluetooth option, a music option. Now
Power
it's on and off.
Bluetooth mode.
Now it's on. And we can change it to color. If you want to use generic sounds,
CarPlay mode.
like raining sound or thunder. Oh, it's evening time. And there is some music option. There's different music. Alrighty. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it's very stylish and there are so many color options and different types of modes. Especially we have the music option too. On the applications there are so many functions, as you can see. And you can turn off the bottom part or turn it on, or top part.
CarPlay mode.
And there are some options over here. Landscape,
Bluetooth mode.
live, game, festival, Valentine's Day, and white noise,
CarPlay
campfire,
mode.
nightlight, fantasy, lullaby, wind. Ooh, check this out. Alrighty. Definitely suggest this product. There is some wind over there. Check this out. This has built-in speaker and I already connected to it with Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and play and see. Right now you can see the effects of the music. Let's check it out from here. It's awesome. I really like the lighting. And if you want to change the modes, you can change that too. We have the light at the bottom and light on the stick.